welcome back to my channel. So it is a Wednesday today. I hope you guys liked my cute little montage introduction. But as you saw then, I was just editing my Eid vlog. I'm really excited for that to go up. I made myself some coffee. I've started using oat milk and it's so nice because I normally get oat milk in my coffee when I go out, and I was like, why don't I just get it for my home coffee as well? And I really like it. Shout out if you know where this mug is from. I think I mentioned at the end of my Eid vlog. So I said in the end of that vlog that I need to start like getting my life together because I kind of just pushed everything to the side, and like I haven't been working out at all or just eating right, and just other things that I want to get done, like my wardrobe. I want to have a huge wardrobe clear out. But today I'm gonna try start like slowly getting my life back together. I'm so dramatic. I'm acting like my life's like falling apart, you know what I mean? Like I just want to be more productive, get back into a routine. So after I finish my coffee, I'm going to put some oil in my hair because it's wash day, and then whilst like the oil's sitting in my hair, I'm going to change my bed sheets. Then I don't think I'm going to do this today, but I want to just do like a healthy food shop. I know a lot of you guys like seeing me doing like just boring house things, so I think I'm gonna make this vlog just very chill, and like personally that's what I like watching as well. I love watching home vlogs, so I think that's what this vlog is gonna be, just very chill vibes. I'm making dinner tonight as well, so I'm excited for you to see that. I also wanted to say that the next vlog, I think in the next like 2 vlogs, wedding vlogs are starting, and I'm so excited. I love vlogging weddings. 2 different people are getting married and they're both very close to me, so it's gonna be really good. We're gonna start dance practice for that very soon, I think in the next 2 days, but that'll be in a separate vlog. I think this week also I'm going to be getting content with my sister for Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, but also follow my sister Shafa. She started like a fashion page. I've been telling her for years to just start a fashion page. It's so cool. Like we've planned everything out, our outfits match, so definitely go check out both of our Instagrams because I'm so excited. I've also started a new book, but I don't want to talk about it yet because it's a very popular book and loads of people love it, and I just can't get into it yet, so I'm gonna wait a few more chapters. Okay, I'm gonna go finish my coffee. I've pretty much finished it anyway. So this is the oil I'm gonna use. It's the Vatika black seed oil, and I normally just leave it in for 2 hours before I wash it out. Okay guys, I have the oil in my hair, change my bedding and stuff as you can see. I'm gonna go in the shower now, and then I think I'm gonna put some makeup on and then just get ready for the rest of the day. So I worked out and I've just come out the shower and moisturized my face, maybe a bit too much, it looks very oily. But let's go downstairs and make some dinner. So I'm in the kitchen now and I'm about to sort out dinner, and I'm gonna use HelloFresh today. I'm so excited. So this part of the video is kindly sponsored by HelloFresh. So I've actually used HelloFresh before. I'm not like a chef. I feel like out of my whole family, I'm the least likely to put in effort for dinner, if that makes sense. I never know what to cook. Like I find the whole process quite daunting because I feel like I don't cook a lot. HelloFresh makes it so much easier. They have so many recipe options. It's amazing. You just go on their website, pick out what you'd like, and you can order it, and that way you can schedule your week, choose what days you want to cook, and then just get it ordered to your house. I just think it makes cooking so much more fun because you've got so many more options. You kind of venture out of your comfort zone and cook things that you wouldn't normally cook. I'll show you guys. Yeah, as I said, I've used them before and I honestly like really enjoyed the whole cooking process. I actually ordered 3 recipes. So I got the 2 cheese ratatouille pasta bake, soy chili prawns, and then crispy cauliflower nuggets. Again, like something like crispy cauliflower nuggets, I wouldn't necessarily like think to make something like that, but it sounds like it would taste really nice, and I'm excited to try that one. And I think it's really cool because you can literally tailor how many people you're feeding as well. So either click 1 person or I chose 4, and all the ingredients are completely fresh as well, and the whole process stress-free. Like I just go on the website, choose what recipes I want to make, and get it ordered to the door. Like I don't need to worry about going to the grocery store, finding the ingredients, and then I always overbuy ingredients and they always end up going off. Like, it's such a stress-free experience, and it honestly just makes cooking really fun, which I never thought I would say that. I think I'm going to make these soy chili prawns today. Yeah, if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, I do have a code for you guys. You can use my code that is on the screen to get 50% off your first box and then 35% off your next 3 boxes. Here are all the meals that I ordered. As you can see, it has a little number on the side, so I want to make 28, so I just look for 28. There it is. Guys, this is the finished product and it looks so cute. I just garnished it with the spring onions and the peanuts, and then we can put some lime on top. And yeah, this is what the plate looks like. It's so cute. I'll do a taste test. It tastes so nice. So if you guys are interested in HelloFresh, I'll leave my discount code on the screen again. I'm gonna eat the rest now. Hey guys, so it's Thursday today. I just got ready. I did some rollers in my hair about an hour ago. I'm gonna take them out now. I really like how my makeup turned out. I am going on a shoot day with Shafa today. If you don't know, Shafa actually started her own fashion Instagram page. We're gonna get some content for that today because we haven't had a shoot day for her yet. I've always wanted someone to content create with, so I'm very excited. And we're gonna go into town, and I'm obsessed with the outfits that I've chosen for this shoot, guys. Oh, I should have put hairspray in. I'm obsessed with the outfits I've chosen. I've gone for like very neutral outfits, and I don't know, I really want to get into buying pieces that I can style in like so many different ways. So all the outfits that I've got, you can literally just mix and match them, and I'm really excited for you guys to see that. So check out my Instagram, they'll probably be up by now. I still haven't finished editing the Eid vlog. It's only been like 3 days since Eid, to be fair, but I'm hoping to come back and get that done today so I can have it up by Friday, tomorrow. But we'll see. We're just doing 3 outfits and we both have like a similar style, so hopefully we can get some pictures together as well. I'll just bring like my tripod. Hi guys, I'm in the car with our favorite influencer, Shafa. We've actually matched our outfits. We're both wearing trench coats, so we're gonna try and get pictures together. We'll see how they turn out. But the sun's actually come out, which is such a nice surprise because I didn't think it would be sunny today. Yeah, it's a very nice day. Hopefully it stays like this. And we're just gonna try and find parking in town. We found some parking and I think we're gonna go to Manchester Library. We're in Manchester town, we're at the library, and we just got really cool, exciting pictures. I'm gonna get changed now. I have 2 more outfits. You're done with outfits, aren't you?
I just have 1 more.
We're gonna go to this new coffee place in Manchester called Daunt. It's where...
I thought it was Haunt.
Haunt? Oh, I think it's Haunt. Cafe Nero used to be there and I used to revise there all the time, so I'm excited to see, and I'm actually really hungry as well. So let's go. This was all set up, by the way. And I'm just gonna put this blazer on. This is my next outfit. Okay. We're in Haunt and this is the menu. I think I'm gonna get sourdough. Ooh. I'm gonna get sourdough toast and with garlic mushrooms and then iced coffee. Shafa's gonna get similar, and yeah, guys, we just got a pan of chocolate. Look how big it is. Good job with sharing that. Oh my, that looks amazing. And then we got iced lattes as well. ASMR crackle. ASMR. Oh, it's deflating. Thank you. Thanks. Here's my mushroom on toast. That's Badger's other one toast.
Can I steal some mushrooms?
Yeah. So we just had a really successful shoot day. Shafal's seeing if she should buy these Zara heels. Yeah, because they'd go with literally every single outfit.
It's those viral like Cinderella type shoe.
I think those are both practical things. Yeah. And they look amazing.
Authorized payment.
How was your first shoot day as a fashion girl?
It was really, we did it a lot faster than I thought we would be here all day.
Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and I'll see you when we get back home. Hi guys. And hi from my cat. I'm talking quietly because everyone else in my house is asleep. It's currently 7 o'clock. I'm getting ready for work. If you don't know, I'm a supply primary school teacher. I took a long break from teaching, but I'm back now. I'm just gonna eat my porridge. I've got raspberries in there, and then I've got my coffee as well, and I'm gonna start getting ready for the day. I'm teaching a year 4 class today, so yeah, it should be good. Ooh. That's my alarm to start getting ready. I just finished my makeup and I slicked back my hair, but you know when your makeup just doesn't look nice? Like, I hate my makeup right now, which doesn't matter because obviously I'm just going to work, but it's just making me feel really gross. So I think I'm just gonna wear my glasses and like cover my face. But yeah, I'm gonna go get ready now. I've just got a bit of my coffee to finish and then I'm gonna get ready and go. So I'll catch you guys probably after the school day. I'll tell you how it went and everything. Hi guys, I just finished work and I found an Aldi and I'm gonna go to it now because I have a shopping list of things that I want to get. I think I mentioned I need to go on like a healthy food shop, but I'm just gonna get that stuff now. Had a really good day with the year 4s. It was a small class. Well, it wasn't a small class, I don't know why, it just felt like a small class. There were 31 kids, but a lot of them were well behaved. There was a few, maybe like 3 kids that were just very, you had to just keep on it, but that's just expected, I guess. So they did fractions in the morning, and then English, they were annotating a text, and then they did PHSCE, they learned about fair trade, and then for history they were learning about punishment during the Tudor times, and it was so gruesome. Like, even I was just like, oh. And they were like little kids learning about it, so I don't know. But one thing I've learned is that kids love history, like they love learning about Tudors. There's a woman in the car in front of me and she's just staring at me because I'm just talking to myself. I'm gonna go in now because I'm very embarrassed, but I'll talk to you guys. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna continue. I don't know when I'll talk to you guys. Maybe when I'm home. Okay, so I've done my Aldi shop. As you just saw, I treated myself to a Costa coffee. I haven't had Costa coffee since like college days. I don't really go to Costa, but they had it nearby and I just needed more coffee today, and you know what, let's give it a go. I just got my normal drink, vanilla iced latte, small, because it's already the middle of the day. I have this really bad tendency of coming home from school and just doing nothing. So I thought this would make me a bit more productive. Oh, it's actually nice. Oh, I love how strong it is. I feel like Starbucks make it a bit sweeter. This is very strong. I feel like that was so good. That just revived my soul. I'm not even joking. Should I give you a little old school car haul? Actually, no, there's actually too much in the bag. I'll go home and give you a regular haul. It's very warm today. I love the weather. I'm loving it. I'm gonna go home and edit this video. I don't even think it's long. I'm just gonna see how much footage I... So here's my little Aldi haul. I got some raspberries for my porridge, salad leaves, yogurt, sweet corn, and then peppermint tea. I haven't had this for like a week. I drink it every single night. It actually makes a big difference with bloating, which I didn't realize until this week. I'm trying Aldi oatmeal, and then breakfast bars, because you always need breakfast bars when you're at school. So I got rice cakes, and then these two as well. But yeah, I just woke up from a package from Bloom and Wild. I love getting packages from Bloom and Wild. They're a flower company and they always send me the most beautiful bouquets. They said it was peony season, so they had to send me some. And if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with Gossip Girl, and the main character's like favorite flowers are peonies. So yeah, I have an obsession. let's open this together. So this is what the box looks like inside, and I just think it would be such a cute gift. Like, look how beautiful it comes. This is the little note they wrote me. I love when I get notes, but it says, "To Zara, the floral event of the year is back. Happy peony season. We hope you love the bouquet as much as we love designing it. Lots of love, Lydia at Bloom and Wild." But yeah, thank you guys. I love it. Look how stunning this bouquet is. I literally feel like the real life Blair Waldorf. I love peonies. They're beautiful. I can't wait for them to bloom. They get so big and it just looks beautiful. And look at this whole bouquet. Gorgeous. Okay guys, it's a bit later in the day now. Please don't mind my appearance. I can't be bothered putting makeup on. I worked out, I've showered, and now I'm gonna make one of those HelloFresh meals. I'm actually going to my sister's house, Shuffa's house, and I thought I would take the meal there and we could eat it together. I think Neha's coming as well. We're just gonna do dance practice for the weddings that are coming up. So I'm really excited about that. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna start cooking now, and I think I'm gonna see which one I wanna make. I'll show you guys. So here are the options. So I just roasted some veggies, and now I'm adding them to the pasta sauce that I've made, and this is gonna be topped with like mozzarella cheese, and then my pasta is just cooking. So that's what the final product looks like. It's just the veggie ratatouille. I don't know how this is different to normal pasta and sauce, but I guess I'm just uncultured, so don't hate on me. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Shuffa's house. I'm just gonna wrap this in tin foil and take it to my car. We're in Shuffa's kitchen, and oh, just show Shuffa. She looks cute. She does look cute.
I'm cooking dinner for the girlies.
She got these chicken wings from Costco.
They're really Costco halal.
Costco. Oh, we did 2 dances. We learned 2 dances, which is actually pathetic.
Yeah. No, we basically did 4.
I think we did. Okay.
We did 4.
Okay.
4? Yeah.
Did we do 4?
No,
I don't know. In our heads, we did 4.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the doggy's on Saturday. So.
But then we have another week after the Mendy. So.
Yeah, so we'll learn more for the men. Well, we say that, but we're not gonna.
Yeah,
so I was making the aubergine pasta bake, whatever it was. I cut my thumb.
Really bad.
And I was really getting into like cooking and stuff, and now I'm like,
No, don't.
Oh, let me show them your beautiful pasta. Yeah. Her ratatouille pasta.
Yeah, that's what it is.